Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, July the 11th, 2020. We have here a binary puzzle, but what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always 4 O's and 4 ones. So let's get started. Double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, and O there, and O. Double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, and O there, and O. Double one here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in one. Double O here and one, there and one. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here and O, there and O. Double O here and one, there and one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one here and O, there and O. We have here. No, I cannot continue. Between two O's comes in one. Need to compare something. Let's see. Oh, 1. Do we have a 001 here? No. We have here 11001. Yes. This column and that column. 1111000011. Empty box. 00. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Then, this column and that column. 0000111100. Empty box 11. So we need to switch these numbers. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double 1 here and O, then O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here and O, then O. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare again. Yeah. This column and that column. 110000. Sorry, this row and the last row. 110000110011. Empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Do we need to compare again? Yes. This row, the first row, and that row. 001111001100. Empty box. We need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great binary Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can